Despite heavy rainfall, on the first day of the third Pojulu Cultural Festival, vendors remained optimistic about selling their goods and products. I paid a brief visit to the vendor site and provided myself with an opportunity to interact with several vendors and assess how the rainfall affected their businesses.
Kere umanga, okay. Kubaya beka mwende na salda. Talata. Okay. Tau magere shagal. Ya na lele bese muse ita mbex beka at least am bagdara mulo. Okay.
The vendors noted a low turnout of customers as the rain hindered movement across the festival grounds. However, they remain hopeful that the second day will see a strong increase in visitors.
So how was business since yesterday? How was the turnout of the people?
Oh, we thank God it's a bit okay, but we would like more customers because number one, the rain also affected, people from coming. So, and I want to say a big thank you to the Pojulu Cultural Festival Committee for helping us vendors to be here, right? And yeah, to all South Sudanese watching and to all people in South Sudan, please patronize us. Shukran, we love you.
On the second day, it is already on the sunshine and people are coming to the venue, which is Rock City Playground.
My elder BTV. Moses.
They are the craft business. Yeah, people are there.
All night.
They have been selling.
Okay.
And if you sleep, someone can take something. So you don't need to sleep.
Okay.
You keep seeing until the daytime comes.
So how was the business since yesterday after
This is not better so much, but somehow fair. People are disturbed by the rain. The rain made people to go home, and some are sitting down. No money. So at least not bad. We are pushing on. We hope today there will be no rain and people will come many.
So like
We shall also enjoy the day better.
so from these items that they have, what mostly do people buy from you out of all the items that you sell? The
The item they buy is beets. The beets, the green one and the white mix, they buy that one, like the one you can see here, human inside. They buy that one.
So this beast is it you who you made it yourself or someone
Yes,
else?
I made it myself, but I'm now working on earrings. Earrings are here. Earrings, I'm making them and I make the beads. Some are home, madam are making. So this is my business. He has the title called Lazarus and Sakira Arts and Craft.
Regardless of the weather disruption, vendors express appreciation to the organizers of the Pojulu Cultural Festival for allocating vendor spaces. This shows that beyond the cultural celebration, the event serves as an important platform for vendors to interact, market their products, and boost local businesses.
My name is Amina. I'm a waitress in Phoenix. The only challenge we got is about rain, but the outcome was nice. So far we can't complain. At least we have seen most of the people who have enjoyed our food. We have good compliments about it.
When the rain came on day one, tested more than the ground. They tested the resolve of the vendors who carry the Pojulu culture in their hands, in their crafts, and in the food they serve. muddy paths and slow cells did not send them home. Instead, they remained, adapted, and stayed. Their presence tells a deeper story about this festival. The Pojulu Cultural Festival is not only a stage for heritage, but it is also a marketplace where culture lives through commerce.